how to turn off notifications on Windows 10. So you'll notice that every once in a while, if you're using a Windows 10 computer, you might get a little notification that pops up in your lower right-hand corner. This can be annoying, or just distracting at some point in times. So you may want to turn these off. Well, to do that, what you can do is right-click on the little notification center, hit Open. It's actually called Action Center. Click Open Action Center. And then in the top right hand corner it'll say Manage Notifications. Go ahead and click on that, and it'll open up the Notifications and Action settings within Settings. And then you'll notice right here it says Get Notifications from Apps and Other Senders on. Well, the easy thing is you can just turn it off. And now, if you want, you can go down here and unclick these as well. So show me the Windows welcome experience after updates, yada yada. You can turn that off as well. Get tips and tricks, suggestions as you use Windows, you turn that off. So now you won't get any little notifications that will pop up in this right hand corner when you're using Windows. This is good if you're like a streamer or somebody who's sharing their screen often. If you're in a group chat or something like that, at the same time you don't want their messages popping up in the corner so other people can read them while you're sharing your screen. So that is how you turn off notifications and apparently actions in Windows 10.